Alright YouTube, I'm doing an updated bike check. So let's start up at the front. I got Flyfino grips, tan on Kink Human bars, 8.75 rise by 29 wide on an FBM Crown Royal V2 stem with Sputnik headset and premium forks, Eastern front hub and random wheel on a Curb Monkey tire. I have a 09 Fit street frame. It's the AM frames. They come without any brake mounts, so it's pretty cool. And I cut my seat tube crap. There didn't have a clamp, but I just cut it off. So I have a volume pivotal seat post on a Federal Slim seat, premium slim pedals and random raw cranks, and a Eastern Medusa Light Forge V2 sprocket and random shit chain, which is loose as shit, and the axle's far as it'll go. But yeah, I have an Eastern back hub and a random chrome rim on a premium refuse resist tire, and that is my bike check. I just got it back from paint today. It's been about a couple weeks. We've had to change the color a couple times, but it's kind of like a burnt orange, and I think it's really nice, and you know, it has nice looking shine to it and everything. And hopefully I'm about to get some tan wall tires to match these grips. But yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, or whatever you guys do. This is my bike check again, so